Hey, what's up guys? So tonight I'm gonna do a short exhaust video for you guys. I actually had it on my channel earlier, but I deleted it just because I didn't feel it was too right in terms of info, so I'm gonna redo it better this time. Pretty much what my friend's WRX has is an Invidia R400 exhaust, but the intermediate resonator is deleted on the pipe. So I'm gonna do a few like idles and revs on stationary for you guys to hear, and then I'm gonna do some flybys for you guys to kind of experience like how it sounds in terms of volume. He is also running a Cobb SF air intake, so if that does make a difference in the sound quality, hopefully you guys can catch that. But let's see what you guys think. Alrighty guys, so that is it for this Invidia R400 exhaust. Comment down below if you guys have any questions on this setup. Again, I didn't mention it earlier in the video, but just let me know if you guys have any questions on that. I personally like the Invidia R400 exhaust. It does sound good. I don't know for the older generations, I haven't really heard it on, like for example my generation or older with the Invidia R400. I've been mainly hearing either Q300 or Invidia N1. But just to say, on the FA motors, the ones that don't have rumble, R400 exhaust does sound good. And it looks pretty as well. So that's just my feedback and taste on this exhaust. I would definitely recommend it to people who are in search of an exhaust, which is kind of hard because of this new California law as well. So just to say what I think about different Nvidias, I would just choose the R400. But that's pretty much it guys. I will catch you guys later and I will keep you guys updated as always. See ya.